guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia. Hello. Today I'll be doing a twist out on my hair and I'm pretty excited about it because in my previous video I prepared my hair, and before I prepared my hair I took down my flat twist and I was actually liking the look. I was like, why haven't I tried this before? So I'll be doing this today, but before I dive right into the video, I would like you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. It will take just 2 seconds. Just go down below, subscribe to my channel and like this video already. Thank you very much, I really appreciate. So now we can dive right into the video. For this video I'll be using my leave-in conditioner, my oil, and also my Eco Styler gel. All products will be linked down in the description box down below. My hair is freshly washed, but since I watched, it's been like some couple of hours, so it's feeling very dry right now. So I'll use water on my hair first. I'll be doing like medium. I don't want small twists. I'll be doing like a medium-sized twist or maybe a bit bigger depending on because my twist game is not that good. So depending on how it's going, I might go a bit bigger or a bit, I won't even say smaller, just medium or bigger size. So I'll be starting with the back section here. Take that out. As you can see, my hair is pretty much dry, almost dry, so I'll wet this whole section and I'll massage it in. So my water is in. I'll go in with my oil. This is just a mixture of different oils that I use on my hair. Massage that in also. And I'll detangle my hair once again because it might be a bit tangled. I'll be going in with my leave-in conditioner. So that is done. Now I'll take smaller section, basically the size of my twist I would want to have. I think this should be okay. So this is the size of twist I would be going with. This is like medium to large, like I said. So now I'm done with that. I'll go in with a little bit of Eco Styler gel. You don't, so I see people do flat twist without putting gel, but I just want like a little bit of hold so my coil is more defined when I'm done. So I'll put a little bit, not too much. It shouldn't be crunchy. Okay, my hair is well saturated with my oil, my leave-in conditioner, and my Eco Styler gel. So now I'll just twist my hair. Getting to the end, I'll just stop twisting and add some gel on my tips, and then I would finger coil the ends so it stays together and the coil at the end is also defined. So this is how it looks. This is how my section is looking right now. This is not actually big. This is pretty, for me it's even small, so I might even go a bit bigger because this is looking tiny to me. That means I will need longer on my whole head. So my next section, I'll have everything in. The only thing I'm adding now is just my Eco Styler gel. Make sure when you're twisting your hair you have even sections, so no one is bigger than the other one. So I'll go with this. And then I try to do a tight twist. Getting to the end of my twist, there's what's left of it. So I'll do the same step, take a little bit of my gel, just a little bit, put it at the end and finger coil it. I'll do the rest of my head and I'll come back to show you how it looks. So guys, I am done. This is how it looks so far. I did about 18 twists. I'll see how long it will take me to air dry this twist because it's winter, so it takes a bit longer for my hair to dry. So I'll come back to you guys when it's dry. So guys, I am back and my hair is completely dry. It's been drying for about 2 days now. It was already dry after a day, but I had to work, so I couldn't film this video. So I was walking around like this. Literally like some minutes before I wanted to start this video, I got this part of my hair wet. Now it's white again, but it's basically dry. This is how it looks up close. So as you can see, it's actually dry. So I'll just go ahead and start unraveling them. For that, I'll just put my oil on my palm. I will try to get as less frizz as possible. So boom. Okay, I like. Let me go ahead and do the rest. This is how it's looking so far. This is it up close. You can definitely just stop here, but if you don't know me, I like big hair, full hair, so I will try not to exaggerate, but I have to separate them. So let me just separate it one by one. Like I said, I'll do just some in front of the camera and then I'll just do the rest off camera because I have to concentrate. So let's just go. I will try just separate it where it would not normally, like naturally separate, to cause as less frizz as possible. Okay, that was okay. Okay. I'm nervous. Let me just go do this off camera. I'll see you in some seconds. So guys, I am done. Okay, I am liking this. I'm curious how long it will last, but I am definitely liking this. What do you guys think about it? This is how it looks up close. I am definitely feeling it. Okay, I won't play with it too much because it just wants me to like bounce and play around with it, but I won't. Let me know in the comment section what you feel or what you think about this hairstyle. And also guys, if you like this kind of videos, let me know by liking it. Like this video so I know I should do more of this kind of videos, or maybe not. So let me just know. So if you like this kind of videos, just go down below and like this video. Don't forget. And if you haven't subscribed by now, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching so far and watching till the end. I really appreciate, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.